decía písenlo. Pero qué confusión, creo que cometí un error y mezclé los tragos y unas pastillitas de color. Qué sentimiento, creo que... Pero qué clase de rumba, pa la que yo cogí anoche. Que no recuerdo lo que sucedió. Pero qué horas son, qué fue lo que pasó. Porque Faru tiene el carro parqueado en la habitación. Yo no recuerdo, solo sé que amaneció y que tenía un tatuaje que decía písenlo. Pero qué confusión, creo que cometí un error y mezclé los tragos y unas pastillitas de color. Qué sentimiento, creo que... Pero qué clase de rumba, pa la que yo cogí anoche. Que no recuerdo lo que sucedió. Pero qué horas son, qué fue lo que pasó. Porque Faru tiene el carro parqueado en la habitación. Yo no recuerdo, solo sé que amaneció y que tenía un tatuaje que decía písenlo. Pero qué confusión, creo que cometí un error y mezclé los tragos y unas pastillitas de color. Qué sentimiento, creo que... Pero qué clase de rumba, pa la que yo cogí anoche. Que no recuerdo lo que sucedió. Pero qué horas son, qué fue lo que pasó. Porque Faru tiene el carro parqueado en la habitación. Yo no recuerdo, solo sé que amaneció y que tenía un tatuaje que decía písenlo. Pero qué confusión, creo que cometí un error y mezclé los tragos.
Hey everybody, I hope that you guys are having an awesome day. So I forgot to do an intro with my collaboration video for 4th of July. This is really late, but I want you guys to know that this video is a collaboration with Stephanie Films. I'll put her right here and her YouTube down below and her cards right here. To do a collaboration on 4th of July. I've been so busy and caught up with so much things, so I didn't do it so early. I forgot about it. I feel so bad. I'm sorry, Steph. But yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, coming to her channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. If you guys are interested in how I came up with a 4th of July makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be using my Life's a Drag palette. I recently got this yesterday and I'm so excited to use it. So I'm going to use this base on my eyes because that's what I do first before anything. And I'm just gonna blend it on my eyeballs and blend that shit, because if you don't blend it will look weird. It kind of messed up a little bit in this eye, but yeah, you guys will see at the end. But I'm just gonna keep blending with the same color, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then once I'm done blending this color, I'm gonna go with this nice blue. It's like a sparkly blue in real life, but I'm not really sure. I can't really describe colors well, but I'm just applying this on my eyes with my crease. I think it's really nice blend, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye as well and go from there. So the next thing I'm going to be using is my Morphe 35P palette. I'm going to use this like blue shade. It's like another kind of blue that I really like and admire for 4th of July. And I'm just going to apply that on my upper crease underneath the blue, which I used for the first one. And then I'm just going to blend it all together. And then I'm going to do the same thing as well with the other eye. Yeah, I know. I'm literally confused right now. But yeah, I'm just using this NYX concealer for my cut crease, and I skipped some, parts of this because I think everyone knows how to do this. But if you don't, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to learn how to do a cut crease, because I've been learning that a lot and learning new things, and would love to teach you guys if you want to know how to do a cut crease. And I'm just gonna do the same thing here, and yeah, show you guys a little bit how I do my cut crease. And yep, so once I'm done, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Festival palette and use the red one right here, because I like a nice red for 4th of July, because it's 4th of July. And I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner where I put the concealer, just to make it like really nice and silky and pigmented and stuff. And then I'm just gonna use this white shade. It's like a silver or white shimmer shade, and put that in the middle of my eyeballs. And yeah, that's all I'm pretty much doing right now. It's not that difficult really. I haven't edited in so long. It's just like, it's crazy. But yeah, I haven't done voiceover review in so long, but you guys know the drill. But I'm using the red one again and put it in my inner corners of my eyes. I skipped a lot, but yeah. And then this is so close. I might cut this off. Who knows? Well, no. Who knows? And then I'm going to be using this white shade and just put that underneath my brow bone so I can have that nice highlight, because we all want a highlight. I think I forgot to put on highlight in this video, but it's all good. I'm using the this shade just to have, like, you know, a little bit of like a shadow feeling in my eyes. I don't know, it's something's missing in this look, so I wanted to add that and just go from there. Hopefully this is a good look. I wasn't so sure if I wanted to add like a glitter, but I didn't have the supplies for that. So yeah, and then I'm gonna use my NYX liquid eyeliner and then just put that on my eyes and line it up a little bit. I was really like shaking a little bit because this is the part where I'm afraid to get a mess in my eyes. It happens all the time. And then I skip it a little bit, and then I use my L'Oreal mascara. I forgot what it was called. I think everyone knows. Oh no, it's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That's what I'm using right now. And then I go with the Wet n Wild concealer because, you know, eye bags problems and stuff. So, and then I'm just gonna keep going and stuff. I might skip this too. So I'm just gonna be using this I don't know how to spatula brush just to, you know, mix my concealer with my face and everything, just to make it nice and smooth. And then once my eyelashes got dried, I used the eyelash curler for this. I know you guys saw someone, that was my dad. I had to cut them out. I had to cut them out ASAP. And then I used the CoverGirl mascara. I like this one to make my eyelashes go up like really nice. It's like you bought them from a store or something. LOL. But yeah. And then once I'm done with those, I'm gonna be using this foundation, which I got from CoverGirl. But yeah, I'm gonna use this brush. It's like a eyebrow brush, but it helps so much with my face because there wasn't no left, so it was really helpful to use for my face and stuff. This video was like 10 minutes long because I'm like in a rush and stuff to edit, so you guys get what you get and you don't want to get upset, right? So I'm just gonna use this brush to drag my foundation, but I didn't really like it, so I'm gonna switch it up with this one instead. This is like the best brush for like foundation, powders, contouring, everything. It's like very helpful and I really like it. It helps me multitask with my foundation, and it makes it nice, easier and quicker for me. And then I'm using the loose powder from Maybelline, correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm just using this. It's like a light medium shade that I'm using, and then the other CoverGirl foundation was like a classic tan. And then once I'm done with this portion, I'm using the NYX palette for contouring and a little bit of a highlight. And you guys will see the shades that I'm using. I just go with my cheekbones and stuff, and I go over like my forehead, like right there, because this girl have a massive head. I'm Asian. I have a big head. I think everyone knows that, but anyways, I love this contouring. It helps so much with my face. I always switched it with another contouring one, but it's like a bronzing mixture going on here, but you guys will see in the video. But yeah, you guys know the drill. But I haven't done voiceover reviews, so it's been a while. So yeah, you guys see how pigmented it is with this palette, and I put the darkest one underneath my jawline because it helps so much for my head shape, especially if you're so fat and stuff, me. But yeah, you guys can tell I'm going in with the contouring, and I use this highlight and use it on, just like line it up with my nose to have that nice glow, you know. And then I use the Urban Decay Afterglow palette just for bronzing. This palette's not really the best, but it's okay. I think this palette matches my skin perfectly, but it helped a little bit, you guys can tell. Yeah, I haven't used the blush yet because I was afraid to use it. I don't know, I don't know, I just don't find it with this palette much, but it worked a little bit for me. But not too bad, I suppose. So once I'm done with this part, you guys will see at the end of the video. I just really like to go in with my contouring, highlight, etc. But I use the Bretman highlighting palette, or contouring, whatever you call this palette. So I'm just gonna use these two shades and then just blend that with my contouring and stuff. I love it so much because it helped my skin have that nice face texture going on, and it was so pigmented. And then I use this just for blush. I think I use this too much with my face. I should have done that, but mistakes happen, you know, you learn and you move on, and that's how beauty is. And then I use the liquid lipstick from Kylie, I think it was Mary Jo K, and then I'm just gonna apply that on my lips for my finish, because this is what I do last. I use my liquid lipstick for everything after I'm done with my look, because when you put liquid lipstick on first and you make a mistake, it's kind of tacky. But yeah, this is what I use. So this is my makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys soon. So yeah, if you guys like the makeup look, if you guys like it, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, I'm gonna do a different separate video on the Life is a Drag palette with the makeup tutorial and everything else. But I really like how the formula turned out in my eyes. I used that first, you guys can see in the video. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.